So what?
There's something happening to me. Something. Okay, what up? Oh, hell yeah. This boy need to help me. What the Oh shit. Oh shit.
Okay.
Oh, what the fuck? Why do that to me?
What's wrong with you?
Why did they do that to me?
You okay? Lana, what's wrong?
Oh God, somebody just punched me in my throat.
Somebody did what? Somebody did what?
Somebody punched me in my throat.
Who in your throat?
Oh my God.
What is that? Is that blood?
Oh God. Yeah.
Here.
Oh, help me. Help me.
What is the fuck?
Help me.
What is going on? Are you okay?
Man, help me.
Your stomach hurt?
Oh shit. No. Oh God. Man.
Where's my phone?
Got punched, man. And they said you're next, man.
Huh?
You're next.
What? Huh? What is going on? Do your stomach hurt? You up here coughing up blood?
Somebody fucking hit me
Who the
in
hit
the
you?
throat.
Somebody hit you in the throat.
Them, they did.
Who the f is them?
Them, they did it. Them, they did it, man.
Who the
And
fuck
they
is them?
said you next,
Oh,
man.
bullshit. Come on now. You don't sit up here and talk down on me. Talk about our next. I ain't got shit to do with that. What the? What is going on? This is too much.
Oh my God.
I'm here.
Oh God. Oh
What
shit.
the f you spit over there in my sink for? You got a whole sink over here.
Because it's already crowded over there.
Wow, what the? Let me.
Oh God. What
Here.
the fuck happened to me?
I don't know what the fuck happened to you. This is too much.
Oh my God.
Do your stomach hurt? I need to call. You want me to call?
My throat hurts because they hit me. Oh, that bitch. Oh.
Hold on, I'm up here coughing too. What the fuck going on?
That's what I'm saying. You next. You're
Like, don't put that
next.
shit up in the air. What happened to you won't happen to me.
So why you coughing then? Why you
I thought
coughing
you
then?
been choked up. I ain't coughing up no fucking blood like you. Where's my phone?
Who the fuck am I, a telephone keeper? AT&T T-Mobile? I don't know.
You need to go to the hospital. You need to take your ass. We gotta take you to the ER. You gotta go to the motherfucking ER. Is this?
We can't leave.
Do your stomach hurt? How do you feel? Do your throat feel clogged up? What the fuck? I need a phone. Where's your phone? Like, don't dial me. Don't do this right now. We just goddamn. I just proposed and shit. We need to be together. What the fuck? Lana. Where's all the? gotta go.
My throat.
Drink some water. Can you come in here and sit down? Let me turn the fan. Can you come in here?
My throat.
Are you bullshitting away?
My throat. My throat. Oh my God, babe.
No, do
Babe,
not.
do something for me. Do something for me. Do something for me.
We need to go to the
Go. Give me some ice. Some ice. Some ice. Yeah, put some ice in the bag. Put some ice in the
Ice in the
bag. In the bag. Put some ice in the bag.
Damn, hold it. I gotta get all my bag. I gotta get all my bag. I got it. Hold on. You need to go get a lot. I need you enough. I need you enough. Yeah. What? Here, I got that. Oh my God.
Oh God. What is going on? Oh shit.
Not me.
What's happening?
Not
What's happening?
Where's your phone? I don't know where my phone at. Here.
They probably
What is going?
got it. They got it.
I don't know who them and who they and all of these motherfuckers who them all that shit. But I don't know. They ain't got it. Damn. Lona, you gotta explain to me how you feel, because that can't be normal. Do you feel what I'm saying? That's not normal. It hurt up under here.
What I'm saying is. Oh God.
What is the matter?
My throat.
Come on. We just gotta go. We
Where
just
we
gotta
go? We can't leave. We can't go. No.
You don't get this shit off of me. Move.
We can't go.
What you mean we can't go?
We can't go.
Why? You got blood? Oh my goodness. Huh?
Bleeding everywhere. Something. Why this happening to me, babe? Babe, you gotta do something.
We just need to go.
You gotta do something quick though. That's what I'm saying though. Listen.
What the quickest thing I can do is get your ass to the hospital.
But you yourself have to do something quick. You
Back up.
You gotta do something quick. You gotta do something quick. You gotta do something quick, babe. Babe, you gotta do something quick. Listen.
Amanda,
I need you to go to sleep, and I need you to tell them I don't want.
I'm not going to sleep telling nobody nothing. Huh? No, I'm not doing that.
You need to tell them. You need to tell them.
Keep on there. See,
Listen, when you go to sleep, look for the town called Denville.
okay. Denville.
Where are you going?
I'm about to get pissed. Do you need to go to the hospital? Are you okay or what?
Are you just going to sleep to go to Denville or not?
This is becoming a little too much. By the way, Draco a little bit. Can we please just go to the hospital? Can I take you to the hospital? I don't know where the f*** at. I don't know. You just need to go to the ER. You breathing? Can you please go sit down here? Come on. I gotta put my pants and shit on. Stop. Calm it down. Can you just breathe? Let me crank the fan up. Can you stop? Like, I can't take all of that. Do you have a problem or not? Do you have a problem or not? Come on now, what's the deal here?
The deal is, I got your ass.
Why not?
I got you up and you coughing too. Damn.
Hey, I'm done.
Babe.
What the fuck you doing all of that for if I'm up here sleeping?
You was in a good deep ass sleep too. Yo. She's the best.
Where my phone?
I will find it for you.
Why not? Where?
I will get it.
Oh, God.
Yo. again. You know what I mean? Like, I've been getting you with bangers, but this was a good one. Put it back.
Hey.
Huh?
I ain't got nothing to say to you for real.
Yeah. Make sure y'all spam it up in the comments. Team Lona. Subscribe to the channel. Turn your post notification bell so you don't miss how much more.
You ain't got shit else. Hey, you ain't got shit else better to do. That's what I said. Huh?
I don't got better else to do. We up now. We might as well go to the.
My alarm. I don't know what my fault. I don't know what time is it.
We going to the.
I'm not feeling no sense in filling the blanks and shit. This ain't that. Well, we going to the gym.
Period. Get your ass up.
It might not be my time though. What time is it?
It's about that time.
Huh? So what the you playing around for?
Cause it's time to get up.
Oh.
I love y'all gang and I'm out.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up, miss how you put